In this video, I'll show you how to connect Jira to Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into the workspace where you want Jira updates to appear. Make sure you have permission to add apps. If you do not see the option to install apps, you may need help from your Teams or Microsoft 365 admin. Next, go to Apps in the left side menu and search for Jira Cloud. Select the Jira Cloud app, then click Add. You can add it for yourself or add it to a specific team or channel depending on your permissions. After adding the app, Microsoft Teams will ask you to connect your Jira account. Sign in with your Atlassian account, then choose the Jira site you want to connect. Now open the Teams channel where you want Jira notifications to appear. Add Jira as a tab or configure the Jira connector, depending on the options available in your Teams setup. Next, choose the Jira project you want to link with the channel. Then select which updates should be sent to Teams. For example, you can receive notifications when an issue is created, updated, assigned, commented on, or moved to a different status. For a cleaner workflow, avoid sending every update to Teams. Choose only the most important events, such as high-priority bugs, new support tickets, or issues moved to done. This keeps the channel useful instead of noisy. You may also be able to search for Jira issues, preview ticket details, and share Jira links directly inside Teams. This helps your team discuss tasks without switching between apps all the time. After setup, test the integration by creating or updating a Jira issue. Then check your Teams channel to confirm that the notification appears correctly. If it does not work, review your Jira permissions, Teams app permissions, selected project, and notification settings. That's it. Jira is now connected to Microsoft Teams, helping your team follow project updates and collaborate in one place. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.